always dressed to impress with my baddies.
Welcome to the jungle. We got fun and games.
What is this, guys? You always need to remember signal flow. It's the most important thing in this industry, and you all can't seem to get it. You don't get it. You don't understand. Look, I've shown you 100 times. This right here, okay? This is our, what is this? What is this? This is our distribution amplifier, okay? Distribution amplifier, okay? Now, we're trying to get this, we're trying to get this to the MP4 multiplier, okay? MP4 multiplier, okay? Machine. Now, how do we get that to the discombobulator?
Through cables.
True, what cable?
We gotta have,
Come on, you know this, it's a 102, you know 102.
we gotta have the Ethernet cable or coax cable.
Correct, but you're missing,
45,
you're missing the XXXLR, okay?
XLR.
The XXXLR. That's the extra large XLR. So, well, actually I'm missing this. Extra large XLR. That goes down to the Kitty MP4 exporter. The Kitty export porter goes down to the Premiere Pro. That's what we use for editing software. And that's how you do it. Once you get there, export as MP4, it's highest settings, and you did it. That's signal flow for you.